Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Jefferson nickel coins, focusing on some rare and valuable pieces from the years 1961 to 1971. We'll take a closer look at these coins and their auction values at Heritage Auction. Let's get started. First up, the 1961 Jefferson nickel, without mint mark, in good condition, known for its clean design and historic significance. This coin has been fetching attention at auctions. Recently, at Heritage Auction, a well-preserved specimen sold for a remarkable $14,000. Next in line, the 1962 Jefferson nickel. Without mint mark, its unique features and limited availability have contributed to its demand among collectors. At the Heritage Auction, a high-grade 1962 Jefferson nickel commanded a price of $18,000. Moving on to the year 1964. This was a transitional year for Jefferson nickels, making them intriguing for collectors. A fine specimen from this year fetched a noteworthy $1,840 at the Heritage Auction. Fast forward to 1970. While not as old as some other coins, the 1970 Jefferson nickel has its own charm and rarity. A top-grade 1970 nickel was sold for $12,000 at Heritage Auction. Now let's explore the year 1975. This coin's unique design variations have made it a sought-after item in the numismatic community. A well-maintained 1975 Jefferson nickel went for $41,000 at Heritage Auction. Turning our attention to the year 1971, without mint mark in unseen condition, these coins boast distinctive features that make them stand out. A brilliant example from 1971 fetched a respectable $44,000 at Heritage Auction. Heading back a few years to 1969, these nickels have their own stories to tell. A well-preserved 1969 Jefferson nickel was acquired by a collector for $4,000 at Heritage Auction. Let's not forget 1968. These nickels carry a piece of history with them. An exquisite 1968 Jefferson nickel was sold for $20,000 at Heritage Auction. Lastly, we have the year 1967. This transitional years brought changes to the nickel's composition, making them intriguing for collectors. A bundle of nickels from these years garnered attention and went for $46,000 at Heritage Auction. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting coin-related content. Until next time, happy collecting!